After that, the all-creating sovereign, mind of perfect purity, proclaimed this sutra about the source of all things. Listen, great Bodhisattva. I am the source of all sacred instructions. Likewise, you must know that all and each thing in the way it appears, that everything emanates from me. Listen to this exposition on the general and great origin of all things. I shall instruct you on how all things come to exist. As I, the all-creating sovereign, mind of perfect purity, am the sovereign of all great sacred instructions, the teacher's three forms of manifestation first emanate from me. Sacred instructions are called the teacher's words. As I am the root of all instructions, I, the all-creating sovereign, did not teach the Buddhas of the three times and the sentient beings of the threefold world any other teaching besides that which comes forth from the mind. All the tantras and sutras are general comments. The tantra and sutra sections are the teacher's teaching, and they have emanated from the all-creating one's own being. These scriptures comment on both teacher and teaching. I, the all-creating sovereign, mind of perfect purity, am declared to be the climax of all teachings. Although from me have emanated the teacher's three forms of manifestation, their teachings, the Vinaya, Sutras, Abhidharma, and Tantras, organized into their appropriate sections of 100,000, are still associated with striving and achieving, associated with the practice of generative, consummate, and secret meditations. But you will proceed towards me only after transcending all striving and achieving. You will not see me unless by transcending striving and achieving. This explains the climax of all teachings. I, the all-creating sovereign, mind of perfect purity, am declared to be the quintessential vigor of all vehicles. Three vehicles exist with regard to the three manifestations of the teachers, but only one vehicle exists with regard to the truth of certainty. This one vehicle is the earth, the bhumi, the universal vehicle, the mind of perfect purity. This is explained as the quintessence of all vehicles. Oh, I let appear the great wisdom after the darkness of ignorance was cleared away. Further, if you ask me to explain how does this come, I answer, the darkness of erroneous reflections darkens one's mind, as one does not understand that all existent things are in their suchness the perfect purity. But because the all-creating mind of perfect purity makes all things just as they exist, one should understand the all-creating mind of perfect purity in this way. Then also the self-originated great pristine awareness will arise and spread after the darkness of discriminative appreciation has been removed, with regard to how all things have come to appear. Therefore it is said that after the darkness of ignorance is removed, awareness will rise and spread. O great Bodhisattva, to tear apart this web of discursive thinking, one should sever the chain of obscurations. Some of the followers of the vehicle of causation see all things which exist as poison, and they think these things ought to be abandoned. Others see the same things as objects of the mind's attachment, and think they have to scrutinize this attachment by means of the two truths. Others see the same things as objects of purification, and think that by means of the three purifications and blessed miracles in the way of Lord and servant, the purification of the world is brought about. Others think that they want to achieve the purification of the nature of their mental flux by means of the four forms of service and worship. The practitioners of Hatha Yoga cut the chain of obscurations, that is the discriminative appreciation, after they have rid themselves of such thinking that there is nothing else but the mind, because of me, the all-creating mind of perfect purity. Such she spoke. O great Bodhisattva, I, the all-creating sovereign, mind of perfect purity, taught you to understand my own intrinsic being as to the point that all existent things just as they are nothing else but me. You will instruct the host of attendants gathered around you in my teaching, so that they will understand the all-creating one's intrinsic being, and become transfigured into my own being. When they are transfigured as my intrinsic being, they will not engage in such doctrines as the two truths, nor in such practices as giving up and obstructing all existent and apparent things. Nor will they engage in blessing these things by means of the three purifications. Nor will they engage in achieving or seeking the contemplation on bodhicitta. They will understand that everything has been created in me, the all-creating. Therefore everything is the same with regard to its groundedness in me, the all-creating one. As I am sameness, there is no need to generate sameness. Previously I already taught that this sameness does not need to be generated. Such she spoke. This is the 12th chapter of the all-creating sovereign, mind of perfect purity, in which is explained the source of the lore of certainty.